I bet that you've seen facts videos like this at least once in your life.
The voices of Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse got married in real life.
But did you know that these channels are making thousands of dollars every month from AdSense because they're getting millions of views? So I created a brand new YouTube Shorts channel on this niche, and in this video I'm going to show you the exact steps that I followed to create these shorts as well as the results of 1 week of posting these shorts. The results crashed my expectations, and I found an AI tool that will let you create these videos with a simple text prompt, so stick around till the end. On day 1, I spent a few hours researching this niche and finding a formula that these channels use to create these shorts. First, they start with an intriguing fact like,
One day, you and all of your childhood friends went out to play for the last time, and none of you realized.
Next, they tell the title of the video.
Worst facts ever that you probably didn't know.
And then they just continue listing other facts for the rest of the video. Then they just add a voiceover and edit the shorts with subtitles. But I don't have to worry about any of these because I found an AI tool that will create the full short for me, including the script, realistic human-sounding voiceover, and subtitles along with relevant stock footage. I just need to give it the idea for the video and a good prompt. So I immediately hopped on to work and I went to ai.invideo.io to start creating these shorts. We need to give it the prompt, so here I typed, create a YouTube short 30 seconds long about the funniest facts about people, American male voiceover. So you need to type in the platform, in this case YouTube Shorts, the length of the short, the idea for the short, and the voiceover you want. Then it will ask you for which type of audience you're creating the short and how you want it to feel. I will choose general audience because I want it to appear to the maximum number of people possible. Let's see how that looks like.
Cue the chuckles. Did you know the average person laughs 13 times a day?
We don't need this first sentence, so I will click on edit and then go to edit script and simply delete it. I can also change this part to, and I bet you didn't know this, and I can delete this part too. I will now apply the changes and let's see how it looks.
Did you know the average person laughs 13 times a day? Or that we're more likely to remember something if it's funny?
Perfect. I will change the background music later, so I will write remove background music.
Did you know the average person laughs 13 times a day?
Nice. Now I will export the short by clicking on export. This AI tool uses premium stock footage, so there are watermarks on the free plan. But if you're serious about this strategy, then I suggest you subscribe to the $20 plan so the watermarks don't ruin your video. Now I will add background music in Canva. You just drag the video and the music on the timeline and adjust the volume. Now I will upload the first short. 16 hours later, I checked the analytics and saw this short got only 600 views. So I went back to research to find what I did wrong. 1 hour later, I found the solution. All of these facts channels put multiple facts in one short while I only put one. So with the same process, I created the next short, but I only included more facts in the script. I posted this short, and when I checked the analytics 1 day later, I saw that this short had 9,000 views. So the solution clearly worked, and now I created a few more shorts for the rest of the week with the same strategy. In the first week, I got 17,000 views with only 4 shorts posted. The best short got 9,000 views on the first day, and the other one was close to 8,000 views. Average view duration is also great, 21 seconds and close to 90%, which is great. But what happens sometimes is that YouTube doesn't push your short, but don't be discouraged, this happens. Just give YouTube the time to push it to the right audience. Most of the audience that watched the short were from top world countries like USA and UK, so you can see that your location doesn't matter on YouTube. I will share my 1-month results of this experiment, so make sure you subscribe because this is only the first video in the series of videos I will be posting about results of this channel. Which type of channel do you want me to try next? Write it in the comments and I will choose the best one. If you want to see how you can create viral AI history channels only with one AI tool, click on this video.